Today's video is about how to make a moisturizer at home using a homemade remedies, natural. Okay, only 3 ingredients needed. One is honey and oatmeal and olive oil. Take nearly 1 tablespoon of honey and add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal into it and 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix this. Okay, mixed well. Apply this on your face and leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off with cold water, and can also massage with any ice cubes for only about 5 minutes. You can use this daily to moisturize your skin and keep your skin clean and moisturized. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to prepare a homemade moisturizer. For that, only 3 ingredients are needed. One is tea water, a natural organic honey, and a vegetable oil. Okay, let's start. Take nearly 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 2 tablespoons of tea water into honey and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix this. Okay, apply this on your face, and you can also include 1 tablespoon of lime juice into it to lighten your skin, and you can also massage for about 2 to 5 minutes to moisturize your skin. After applying, leave it to dry for about 15 minutes and then washing off with cold water or massage with any ice cubes to get a cooling effect for your skin. Okay, you can use this daily for best results. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow.